Welcome to Pattaya, Thailand, Pattaya Soi 6, brother. Welcome to Travel Nomad channel. As you see, Soi 6. This is Soi 6 nightlife, man. Absolutely crazy. 6. Guys, absolutely amazing. Look at that, man. Soi 6. Soi 6 area, bro. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely crazy, man. Look at that. This is Soi 6 area. This is Beach Road. Pattaya, you see? Crazy, man. This is crazy vibe, man. Soi 6 area. Heading to Beach Road, as you see. This is Beach Road area, you see. Crazy, absolutely. Soi 6 and Beach Road. Wallahi Azim. Look at that. Heading to beach, Pattaya Beach, bro. Look at that lifestyle in beach. Look at that. It's too noisy, man. Lots of music going on, lots of drink, lots of smoking. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely amazing, bro. You see how people are happy here? Life should be like this, man. People whole day they work, nighttime they come sit in beach, they go club, they hang out with their friend. You see these people, man? Look at that. They play guitar, they buy drink, they smoke weed, relaxing. You see, the children, family. Look at that. People genuinely look at that, man. They're playing guitar, play music. See what Mr. Doggy doing. See, relax. Another one here. Look at that. Honey massage too. Pattaya Beach area. It's a beach road. One of the greatest area on the beach. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. Seafood area. Thailand, one thing is very important. You walk around, you can walk around 24 hours, man. You never feel tired, bro. Trust me, you walking, you never feel tired. Because you see the people sitting, they're doing so many activity, you know. Life is so life, you know. So natural, man. If you go Australia, America, Canada, life, everything inside the door, man. Inside the club. Nothing going on outdoor, man. Very rare case. This is, life is very authentic. Trust me, man. Life here is very authentic here. Look at that. Tattoo shop, pizza, steak, seafood, huh? Absolutely high. Absolutely crazy. Hopefully you guys enjoy my video. If you guys want to see something more exciting, what a wonderful nightlife here, man. So hopefully you guys enjoy video, enjoy the nightlife show in Pattaya, Thailand, Soi 6 and Beach Road area. Hasbi Allahu wa Hasbi Allahu khair. Assalamu alaikum.